there's a very famous paradox known as Fermi Paradox that's occasionally part of the discussion जब हम UFOs, UAPs और aliens की existence के बारे में बात करते हैं, and it's basically a fundamental concept. What do you think on it? And I would like you to expand on that matter.
अच्छा, Enrico Fermi basically was an Italian physicist who worked with Robert Oppenheimer, right? If you know Project Manhattan.
Manhattan Project. Yeah,
and they were both physicists. और एक दिन it is widely known in the physics circles and physicists circles that post lunch or over lunch,
yeah,
they discussed this probability. और Fermi ने बहुत firm तरीके से ये कहा कि if there are, as you tell me, a possibility or some civilization which is non-human in nature, or it is extra-dimensional,
which doesn't source from Earth, basically,
an extraterrestrial, rather. उस वक्त खैर discussion शायद इसकी नहीं थी कि ये interdimensional है, ये extra-dimensional है, because there is other theories about that as well. एक concept hyperspace का भी है, by the way, which we will later on delve into. But उसमें ये था कि he was really kind of wary of the idea, ये कह लो. इसलिए उसने ये सवाल उठाया कि अगर है तो कहाँ है, दिखती क्यों नहीं, interaction क्यों नहीं हुआ अभी तक. That was the basic famous phrase, which was later termed as Fermi's paradox, because it became a paradox of its own, that why if there is life, why does not it
interact with
interact?
us? Yeah. Or do they even want to interact with us? Are they intentionally not interacting with us?
उसकी और theories हैं. वो भी है कि basically when they are such advanced, they are so, another civilization is so much technologically advanced, then the question is, ये basically जो जितना कुछ मैंने भी पढ़ा, देखा, सुना, तो उससे मैंने भी ये अर्ज किया कि why would they interfere? क्यों करेंगे interfere?
On a lesser technologically.
Of course, I mean, you know what? Let's take the example of that zoo principle. I mean, you know what? We keep animals in a zoo, but we don't necessarily interfere in their upbringing, in their everyday development, or any other discovery process.
Not directly. Anyways, but maybe perhaps indirectly.
Indirectly, that is what it is known. I mean, you know what? Why are they making them visible?
Yeah.
This is the question.
They indirectly do.
They are making themselves visible, but they are not interacting.
Yeah.
अच्छा, इसमें एक और interesting चीज़ है, वो भी मैं शेयर कर देना ज़रूरी समझता हूँ यहाँ पे, कि जिनका जिक्र बाद में आएगा, about the crashed retrieval programs. The crashes, they say, are basically not crashes.
They were short,
but they are gifts to humanity. Because if we look at it, the whole thing, I mean, you know what, the hearings that were basically done in November 2023.
Congress hearings.
Congressional hearings of very important nature. And उसमें जो whistleblower थे, one by the name of David Crush, he basically shared with the Congress members and the public, of course, I mean, through that congressional hearing, that some of the vehicles were intact, perfectly intact. And while some were kind of, affected or damaged. So by that inference, one of the observation in this, which is being made by the researchers, ufology researchers and UAP researchers, is that certain action was done on purpose. There was an intent in that.
As a handshake.
And that's where the mystery deepens.
Yeah.
Right. Why is that intent? What could possibly humans benefit from that?